Well, there is yet again another NEXZ SAUCIN trailer, but this time it's for the MV, not just like the concept overall. So maybe we'll get something a little less weird. And maybe this will give me some examples of what we're gonna get, because from those SAUCIN trailers we've already got, I have no clue what this is gonna be about.
Yeah.
Oh my god, are we gonna get a bit of the song in this? Okay. Please tell me this song sounds like this. Oh my god. I'm stunned. There's too much going on here. Holy crap. Okay, the truck's powered by sauce. I can't get over this. Look at these dark fits and then look at Noah's face. This like oh god, I just pointed at the screen. No one can see that. Oh god, come on. Why make a 20-second trailer? It's so short. I need more. That sound. Oh. Oh, look at Sato. Let's go. Oh man, I love this group. They're so silly. Like, look what we're. What is this? The dogs? I didn't even notice it at first. It's just like... What the hell? Dude, the dogs. Oh, what the frick is this? Oh, is that Soda? Oh, it is him. Well, they just fit. Look at those, like... I don't know, leg warmers? What would those be? Leg warmers? Those things look crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is gonna be like, if the song actually sounds like that, this might be like the best comeback ever. Oh, I love that there's just this dance music somewhere. This is so good.
Yeah.
Oh god. I still don't know what's going on. Let's be real. But this is too funny for me. I don't know, something about these like darker, like black fits. You don't expect them to be making these expressions. Everybody just making cute expressions here. Oh my god. We're just going unhinged with this one, huh? Like the dogs. No, like,
yeah.
Okay, this is why I love NEXZ. This is freaking bonkers. Who's right here? Oh, it was Moya. Of course, I got caught by Moya. That always happens. I see right there too. I get caught by Moya though. But look at him. Why is this in the choreo? That's great. Dude.
Yeah.
When's trailer 2? I need trailer 2 already. I need more. This is insane. These fits are crazy too, by the way. Who's got a vest? Oh, it's Yuki. What the heck? Please tell me though that the song's gonna sound like this. I'll be so happy if it does. Yeah, I love this riff so much. Come on. Sorry, okay. I promise this is the last time. I have to watch it one more time though. That whole scene kills me. The dogs, though. Oh, this MV. This MV is gonna be freaking amazing. I already know. Okay. I want I want trailer 2 so bad now. Um, that was actually kind of insane. I don't know what to think about what this concept is anymore. It's so all over the place. I don't know. I don't know. I said last time, but
We so sick.
I guess I'm a liar because I needed to look through it again one more time. Am I insane, or is this like very lightly NCT Dream coded? I don't know what. Maybe I'm just thinking of the hot sauce MV. That's probably it. I've probably just subconsciously thought of this hot sauce MV, and that must be why I
Yeah.
weirdly saw this trailer and started to think NCT Dream. Oh my god. Anyway, I could watch this 1,000 more times, but I won't waste your time on that. I will do that on my own time. So I hope you have yourself a awesome and just wonderful, wonderful day out there today. And bye-bye.